Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to WireGuard with keys on macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have WireGuard installed on your macOS device. You can download the official WireGuard app from the WireGuard website or the Mac App Store. Once installed, open the WireGuard application. Click on the Add Tunnel button to create a new configuration. You will be prompted to choose between Add Empty Tunnel or Import Tunnel from File. For this guide, select Add Empty Tunnel. Now, it's time to generate the key pair. You will see options for the private and public keys. Click on the Generate button next to the private key field. The app will automatically generate both your private and public keys. Make sure to copy your private key and store it securely. Next, paste your private key into the private key field in the configuration. Now, fill in the address field with a suitable IP address for your tunnel, such as 10.0.0.1/24. Scroll down to the peers section and click on Add Peer. In the peer settings, paste the public key of the remote server in the public key field. Enter the allowed IPs for the peer in the allowed IPs field, such as 0.0.0.0/0 for all traffic. Specify the endpoint address and port of the remote server in the endpoint field. Now you should have a complete configuration ready. Review all settings to ensure they are correct. To save your tunnel configuration, click on Save. Now, you can activate your WireGuard tunnel. Simply switch the toggle to active in the main app interface. Your macOS device should now be authenticated to WireGuard using your keys. You can verify your connection status within the application. If everything is set up correctly, you are now encrypted and connected. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated to WireGuard on macOS with keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.